ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joel from Disruptive Tech Asia, and today we will have the champion of Jet Workflow Low Codeathon competition as our guest. I would like to welcome Team Purple from Sunway University. So first of all, before we get down to the interview, I just want to check with Team Purple. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
All right, great. Okay. So I guess we can, get down to the business here. So the first question that we have for you guys today is, can you please tell us about your app and what it actually does?
So the app that we developed is Tesco Lab, which is pronounced as Tesco Lab. It is an app that helps to solve Tesco management issues such as unhelpful customer service, negative staff performance, manual task management, and also team collaboration. So Tesco Lab has a total of 5 tiers, which are food waste management, social media management, school visit management, customer service management, and also employee performance tracking management. So for food waste management, it is to record and keep tracks of food waste that Tesco donate to non-profit organizations, and has an automated email function where email will be sent to inform organizations about to collect the food waste whenever Tesco has food waste available to donate. So social media management is something similar. It records and keeps tracks of Tesco social media postings. When a post reaches a certain amount of likes, a notification will pop up to notify the employees so they know what kind of post the followers like. So for school visit management is to plan school visits and send request email to institutions. Once it's confirmed, the record will be saved in another form and notification will pop up to inform Tesco about this. So customer service management is basically a personalized platform for Tesco customers to voice out their opinions and issues related to customer service. The last one, employee performance tracking management, is to keep track of employees' contributions by monitoring and evaluating their work. When an employee has outstanding performance, a pop-up notification will be sent to the management to inform them about this.
Yeah, okay, yeah, great to hear that. It seems like, based on the capabilities and the features that you guys are inputting into this app, it seems like you guys are, you basically know what this whole Tesco app is. And it seems like you guys are actually like a regular customer, I assume, right? So, which goes on to the second question that I want to ask you, that is, what inspired to create your app? Is it based on, just, you just want to improve the app, or are you trying to take it to the next level?
Actually, you are right. So we are all actually regular Tesco customers ourselves and shop at Tesco quite often. So we came across the issue, which is the Tesco management issue that I mentioned previously. After researching, we realized that there are many small issues that worsen Tesco's management. So we decided to create this app as a solution to solve Tesco issues and also help Tesco to become better with their internal management and serving their customers.
Okay, yeah, great. Yeah, thank you for that. So, regarding, in building this app, developing this app, it all revolves around this whole, Jet Workflows software or system. So, what are your thoughts on, low code app development and Jet, specifically, the Jet Workflow, how did the platform actually help in the whole app creating process?
Okay, so thank you for the question, and I'll be answering this. So in our opinion, low-code application development is actually the latest tech-related trend nowadays, and it is very convenient for non-programmers to establish their application idea by just a few clicks. And our team also thinks that the Jet Workflow platform is very fresh and innovative. The platform has a lot of functions that are worth exploring as well. And Jet Workflow made Tesco Lab possible as the platform provides diverse methods of achieving an application's function, and as well as the convenient navigation throughout the web application. And last but not least, the integration of Jet Workflow with other applications such as the Google Mail is extremely useful in terms of sending automated emails.
Okay, yeah, great. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, this competition, it's all about, low code, something that, even some of the not so tech savvy, can actually, use this system and so on. So, regarding the app that you've built, how do you actually feel, an app, like Tesco Labs can actually be used to solve problems faced by not just Tesco themselves, but, other retailers in the country as well?
Okay, so I'll answer this question. Tesco Lab can be used by any other retailer in a country because it has a lot of features such as social media management, customer service management, and employee performance tracking, which are applicable to all types of businesses. As retailers these days pay more attention to social media, our app can be used to better manage their online presence on social media platforms. Tesco Lab can also be used to keep track of each employee's performance, thereby sustaining a high performance culture within the organization. Furthermore, this app can be utilized by organizations that contribute to the SDGs, such as grocery stores or supermarkets that wish to donate food waste, as well as companies that organize school visits on a regular basis. By using our app, I believe retailers will improve their organizational performance and productivity.
Okay, yeah, thank you for that. So yeah, basically, based on the features, based on the capabilities that your app can do, it just seems like it's not just limited to one, that it's actually flexible and agile enough to, that some other retailers can also, use as well, which, unfortunately, we come down to actually our last question that we have for you is that, depending if, one of you guys want to answer, or maybe all of you guys can actually contribute as well. What are some of the key takeaways, you gained or learned from competing in this competition?
Okay, so for me, I feel that all of us really learned that teamwork makes the dream work lah. Because despite having geographical differences which results in potential difficulties in online collaboration, we still manage to overcome it with constant communication and passion towards this low quotathon competition. And other than that, it is also worth mentioning that we understand more about Tesco's management and sustainability system when we are performing the research for the problem statements. We are inspired by their motto, which goes by every little helps. And we think that this little application might impact them in a very different way.
Okay, yeah, thank you for that. So I guess that, that actually comes down to our last question. Once again, I would like to thank, Team Purple once again. You guys have done, an absolutely, great job, on the app that you just built. And, for all the readers out there, if you want to know more about, what we do around here, you can reach out to us. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, Team Purple.